crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Sweetest Time, and this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Sweetest Time, and we're going to be using these candles, one of these little lights, and bright and peace wishes to you this Christmas. So we're going to start with our stamping. And I have a piece of Whisper White, excuse me. And then I have our candle mounted on clear block E. And I'm going to come in with the Real Red, ink this up. So just like that. And I come in with a smaller piece of Real Red, and I have our sentiment mounted on clear block G. So just like that. Next I'm going to come in with crushed curry for the little flames, and those are mounted on clear block A. All right, and that is all the stamping we are doing. So now I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I have my magnetic plate. Excuse me. I have the stitched rectangle dies, and I have the smallest rectangle here. And then like the fourth from the largest here. And we'll run those through. All right, put this aside. And we'll start putting this card together. Our card base is Whisper White thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I also have a piece of the red velvet paper, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So let's just put some adhesive here. All right, so just like that. And I found that this was easier to adhere to the felt with some glue dots. So I'm just going to take it and roll each one on the top and the bottom. Oops. Get another one here. Well, that one surely does not want to come off. There we go. And I'm just going to put it here to the side, just like that. And then I'm going to get our sentiment and do the same thing. And I'm going to put it right here in the top corner. And then I have my red rhinestones. And I'm going to come in with my take your pick tool. I'm going to put some rhinestones here. And I think I'm going to put some in each of the 4 corners. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!